In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify account to Mailchimp, perfect for beginners and designed to complete in just about 5 minutes. Before we dive into the steps, let's ensure you have both a Shopify store and a Mailchimp account. If not, don't worry, as I'll guide you on how to get started. To begin, go ahead and visit Mailchimp.com. If you don't already have a Mailchimp account, take a moment to sign up. The registration process is pretty straightforward. Simply follow the prompts to set up your email and password. Once you're logged in, the initial setup will guide you through creating your audience, which includes defining your brand details and other relevant preferences. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your email marketing strategy. With your Mailchimp account ready, now navigate to Shopify.com and log into your Shopify store. Once you're in, direct your attention to the admin panel. You'll find a search box at the top. This will be our next point of focus. Click into the search box and type Mailchimp. This should bring up the Mailchimp for Shopify app, a fantastic tool designed to make this integration seamless. Next, click to open the app and proceed by selecting Install. You may need to install it one more time for confirmation. This installation process ensures that the app is fully integrated into your Shopify store. With the app now installed, we're going to switch back to your Mailchimp account and log in if you're not already. This step is essential because you'll need to authenticate this connection. Once logged in, the app should prompt you to authorize the connection. Click on Authorize Connection to grant the necessary permissions. This action allows Mailchimp and Shopify to communicate effectively, ensuring your workflows run smoothly. After authorization, you'll be given the option to choose your Mailchimp audience. Decide which audience fits your needs and then enable options like Product Sync and Customer Sync. These options are pivotal because they automatically synchronize your Shopify products and customers with Mailchimp, saving you valuable time. With everything set up, you'll see an option to continue to Mailchimp. Go ahead and click that button. This will direct you back to Mailchimp, providing a clear indication that things are moving along smoothly. Once on Mailchimp, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Shopify store is now successfully connected to Mailchimp. And there you have it, your Shopify account is now integrated with Mailchimp, opening up powerful marketing possibilities. From here, you can start leveraging the full potential of Mailchimp's marketing tools to engage with your audience and drive sales. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get started with connecting Shopify and Mailchimp seamlessly. If you have any questions or run into any issues, be sure to check out the help guides on both Mailchimp and Shopify as they offer extensive support.